Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to study about the renin angiotensin aldosterone system. So basically renin angiotensin aldosterone system is a hormone system within the human body that is essential for the regulation of blood pressure and fluid balance. The system is mainly comprised of three hormones. The first one is renin, and the second one is angiotensin 2, and the third one is aldosterone. Primarily, it is regulated by the blood flow. In liver cell produce an pre-enzymes which is called angiotensinogen, and it is converted into angiotensin 1. This because for the actions of renin, which is an enzyme released from the kidney release it due to the flow volume leaving through the nephrons. The angiotensin 1 is converted into angiotensin 2, and this happens by an enzyme called ACE. ACE means angiotensin converting enzymes. The angiotensin 2 act as on the adrenal gland, and this cause of adrenal gland to release aldosterone. Aldosterone causes the kidney to absorb water and sodium from the urine excrete potassium. So, but when body retain water, the blood pressure rise up, and some people it can cause a problem. The one most important thing is angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 seem to be a factor in the remodeling of heart after heart attack. This can cause significance of mobility and mortality in heart attack patients. Let's we talk about the drug. There are most three common drugs, which first one is angiotensin converting enzymes inhibitor, which is called ACE, inhibit the ACE enzymes. The next one is certain for angiotensin 2 receptor blocker, help to stop the effect of angiotensin 2. And the third most important drug is uh, reactions of aldosterone is the most important is spironolactone, blocking the actions of angiotensin 2. So this was all about the renin angiotensin aldosterone system. Allah Hafiz.